Do you have plans for this weekend?
Yes, I have plans for this weekend. What
Espera. For example, Guillermo, what are your plans? Si tiene planes, cuéntanos.
Okay. Yes, I have plans for this weekend for visit the mountain.
Ok. Guillermo, ¿te acuerdas que acabamos de aprender el futuro con going to? Que aquí estamos hablando de un plan para el fin de semana. Aquí es perfecto para decir I am going to visit the
Okay.
mountain.
Yeah. Entonces sería yes, I have plans for this weekend. I'm going to visit the mountain.
Perfecto. Good. All right. So now Guillermo to Antonio.
What will you do if the water is nice?
I'm going to the park.
Y recuerda de usar el verbo to be. I am going to go.
I am going to the park.
Eso, mejor.
What if it is rainy, snowy, hot?
If it is snowy, I'm going to the mountain.
I am going
I
to.
am going to the mountain. What is the weather like today?
The weather today is like cloudy.
Y aquí no tiene que decir like. The weather is cloudy. Correcto.
Okay.
Se viene en la pregunta. Esto es una expresión que se usa en inglés. La palabra like a veces significa como cuando está en compañía del verbo to be. Así que la pregunta es ¿cómo es el tiempo? Y ahí tú contestas directo. The weather is cloudy. Ok, ahora vamos Rachel a Hades. Yo vi que Hades apareció, así que Rachel a Hades.
What was it like yesterday?
Ay, mi madre.
Hades?
Sí, aquí estoy, teacher.
Ajá. Te está preguntando, what was it like yesterday? Hablando del tiempo, ¿cómo fue el tiempo o el clima ayer?
Estaba intentando acordarme, pero creo que chilly.
Yesterday was chilly.
Yesterday was chilly.
Okay, good.
Bueno, por mí.
Hades number 5. Y Hades, you're
What?
asking Georgina.
Ya como que lo sepa. What is the forecast for this weekend?
El tiempo. ¿Qué pronóstico es para este fin de semana? The forecast for this weekend is cloudy, cold.
Okay.
Do you always make plans in advance?
Yes, always make plans in advance.
Y recuerde de comenzar con yo. I always
make plans in advance.
Okay, good.
Are you spontaneous?
No, I am not spontaneous. What type of activity do you do?
Come
on,
I don't know. I like walk in the
I like
park.
to walk.
I like to walk in the park, and I go to the gym too. So.
What about in different seasons?
In winter, I like practice the ski. And in the summer,
Hiking.
just hiking. Yeah. When is your next doctor's appointment?
¿Me toca a mí?
Ajá.
I do not have next doctor appointment. When is your next appointment at your kids' school?
I do not have kids.
Very good, very good. All right, let's talk a little bit about culture and the difference between collectivism and individualism. Georgina, can you read this, please?
Okay. In Latin America, family is very important. People often live with parents, grandparents, and cousins. They help each other. They share food, time, and money. This is a collective culture. In a collective culture, the group is more important than the person. People say, we, more than I. People make decisions together. They ask their family or friends before they do something big.
Very good. So as always, when we're remembering or when we're reading, if you have questions, please let me know. Does anybody have a question or do you understand more or less?
We
Okay.
understand.
You understand? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good. Guillermo, can you continue?
In the United States, people are more independent. Many adults live alone or with only their partner. Teenagers often move out at age 18. This is an individualistic culture. In an individualistic culture, the person is more important than the group. People say, I, more than we. They make their own decision. They like freedom and personal goals.
Very good, Guillermo. Thank you. Any questions?
No.
No.
Let's go, Antonio.
Which is better? Both cultures are good. They are just different. In the US, people may not visit family every week. This is normal. In Latin America, people may feel sad when the family is far away. This is a normal too. If you are from a collective culture, the US may feel lonely. But don't worry, many Americans still care a lot about friends and community. It's just look different.
Good. Questions?
Lonely.
Atención.
Yeah. What does lonely mean?
Ah, very good question, Guillermo. Lonely means solo, que uno puede sentirse solo.
Okay.
¿Dónde está? Que no lo veo. Ah, ya. Lonely.
Okay, good.
Mhm.
So let's see how much you understand. What is more important in a collective culture, the group or the person?
The group.
Group.
Very good. Where is it common to live with extended family?
Where is that?
Latin America.
In Latin America. Muy bien. What is one example of individualistic culture? Asking your cousin before you buy something or living alone at the age of 18?
Living alone.
At the age 18.
Good. Is one culture better than the other?
No.
No, good. Muy bien, esto es algo muy importante. A mí me gusta mucho enseñar cultura porque el idioma es para comunicarse, la cultura es para para llevarse bien, para tener éxito, ¿no? Pero siempre me gusta, antes que nada, decir bien claro que no es que una cultura es mejor que la otra, simplemente son culturas diferentes. Cuando uno está aquí en Estados Unidos, deberíamos de adaptarnos a la cultura de aquí, pero por ejemplo, yo cuando yo viajo a la América Latina, tengo que adaptarme a la cultura de allá para mejor éxito, ¿me entienden? Bien. So let's talk about this a little bit. Are you from a collective or individualistic culture? Esta es conversación para todo el mundo.
Collective.
Collective, Hades, okay?
Collective.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are from collective.
I think pretty much everybody here is from Latin America, and you're definitely from collective cultures, right? What do you like about your culture?
It's the
I like I can find support in my parents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, that's a very interesting thing about culture, right? Like, I've
Mhm.
noticed I don't do that. I'm American. So like when I need help, I try to fix it by myself. It's hard for me to ask for people for help. It's very hard to ask people for help. Yeah, that's a very big difference with culture. That's something I really admire about Latin American culture. When I lived in South America and I noticed how everybody does things together as a family, I was like, oh, that's so nice. Why don't we do it like that? You know, like, no, maybe like once a month. Hi, Dad. How you doing? Okay, all right, bye. What do you find different or surprising in the United States?
Mm.
What do you find?
Different is like
No.
when the people are 18 years old,
yeah.
just leave the house to go to university or live with a roommate or something like that. In Cuba, for example, usually we live 2-3 family in one home.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
like
very
in Cuba, we live some parents and grandparents.
yeah.
It's normally.
Yeah, you don't see that here in the United States. When I turned to 18, I left my parents' house. I went and I lived with roommates, and then I moved to a completely different state to go to college.
Mhm.
That's very different. Anybody else? Gino, what do you think? Do you find anything different or surprising about the United States?
Oh, sí, different en lo que es el Thanksgiving. En Perú no existe, no, ¿cómo dice?
Yeah.
In Thanksgiving is holiday Christmas. No.
Yeah, that's a very important difference,
Mm,
right? So the
important.
holidays change depending on what country or what culture you're from. What about you, Guillermo?
I find different for El Salvador is more junior for holiday for more people live in one home.
I'm sorry, I don't quite understand what you're saying. Something about the holidays?
Yeah, son como similar a lo que mencionó Georgina.
Okay, so the holidays, you say
Yeah.
the holidays are different here than in El Salvador, of
Yeah,
course. Good.
exactly.
Okay, what about you, Hades?
Lo mismo.
Lo mismo, por ejemplo, what?
Ay, teacher, sinceramente estoy en la clase, pero estoy con migraña y estoy aquí participando para no perder el hilo de la clase de hoy, pero no puedo con mi vida.
Okay, you don't
No.
feel very good, Hades? Okay.
Mhm.
That's okay. That's okay. Okay. All right. Well, that was just the last little piece of